Hi, so I just got this shipment from new Direction Aromatics, and I wanted to show you what I got. Not much. Alright. Oh, this is lavender floral water. Supposedly this is what, I think it's a hydrosol, which is when they do the distillation of lavender essential oil. This is the water that's left over. And you can use it in lotions or other products instead of your water, and it'll just be like a fragrance water of sorts, but with essential oils. It smells just like lavender Bulgarian essential oil, which smells different than lavender 4042. Okay, and that's some vitamin E. It's interesting that it comes in a jar. I've usually bought it and it's an oil, but this, I'm not sure if it's liquid or not. Let's see. Oh, it is a liquid. What is interesting about this is that it seems to have a color, like a orange tone. And the other vitamin that I have right now is just colorless, and that one definitely has an amber tone to it. Alright, so I've unpacked a fragrance. I bought this one before and I liked it, so I ordered a bigger bottle. It's lemongrass verbena. I don't like this kind of bottles because I've cut myself before with them. It smells just as good as before, but I'm just gonna leave that in place. Okay, then I have some babasu oil that I've heard good things about. I mean, I know that it can be used as a substitute for coconut oil, but that's not what I'm gonna use it for. It's supposed to be really good for your skin, so I plan to use it on lotions. And this is, oh, this had good reviews. Is red currant and thyme tea fragrance oil. I ordered the smallest bottle just to test, and if it's good, maybe I'll order a bigger one. It's not bad. It's different. I can smell the tea. I think I like it. It's definitely different. It's like I can smell some lemon and some sort of tea. It's a pleasant smell. It smells sort of like an herb or an herb with lemon on it. All right, here I have some juniper berry essential oil. This smells very, reminds me of palmarosa or of rosemary. I don't know, like a herb. But I didn't buy it for the fragrance, I bought it for the properties. Parisian Classic Fragrance Oil. Let's see. This smells like a women's perfume. I think on the reviews, it's said that it just smelled like Chanel No. 5, if I remember correctly. And it does smell like a women's perfume. But I'm not familiar with Chanel No. 5, so I wouldn't know. But I'm gonna use it for a soap for my sister, because she likes that type of fragrance. Now this is peppermint Japanese essential oil. And I bought this one because it's supposed to be like the second distillation, but not the second as the stronger, more as in it's not as strong as the first distillation of peppermint. So, man, that's really close. Alright, I had to go get help to open this one. So the peppermint Japanese essential oil, it's supposed to be milder than the regular peppermint because they do it. It's like a second time, so it's not the leaves have already had their main thing extracted. So this is supposed to be good if you want to use it in diffuser, then it won't be so strong on your eyes, or so I read. Alright, this is lavender population. Last time I tried lavender Bulgarian and I wasn't crazy about it because I was used to lavender 4042, but it's sort of grown on me now. And I'm not crazy about this one. It's more herbal in my opinion than flowery. But it probably grown on me just like the Bulgarian did. Hopefully. Okay, and this is oregano, which I don't need to smell it, but I will. It just smells like regular oregano. Yep, very strong, like very strong, like Italian food spice. Alright, here I have clary sage, which I bought this one for my mom. It's not a fragrance I'm crazy about, but it's good for a lot of things. Spruce black. Okay, this should smell, I will guess, piney. Huh. You know, it smells sort of piney, but different. It has sort of a camphor-like fragrance to it. It's good. Okay, so this is Eucalyptus Blue Malay, or Malay, I don't know how to pronounce that. And this one I just bought it mostly out of curiosity to see how it's different from Eucalyptus globulus. I think this is also supposed to be milder. It is. It's not as strong. And I think that I read that it'll be a good option for children because it's not as strong as globulus. Okay, I already did lavender. And this is Copaiba Balsam. I'm curious about this one. Let's see. I don't think I can smell it. No. It's a very subtle scent. And I have allergies, so but I could smell the other fragrances. This one is more subtle. Maybe I'll come back. And today's the day that this was shipped. I mean, I got it today, so maybe that's the kind of essential oil that needs to settle. Marjoram. Let's see what this smells like. I don't cook with marjoram often. This is very strong. Maybe it smells just like that. This is frankincense carteri. Currently I have frankincense, but the other kind I think is boswala or bos something. So it's supposed to be from the other type of tree from where you can get frankincense. You know, it's more pleasant, I think, than the other one that I have right now. The other one, I've gotten used to it, but it's stronger. This one seems to have a more likable scent. a little bit more of a, like a pine note to it. I mean, it's a tree, but I like it. It's also a lot more expensive. I think this was like, this is 5 millimeters. I think it was $20, maybe less. I don't know. Let me see. No, I think the half ounce was $20 versus the half ounce of the other frankincense was way cheaper. So on this one I only got 1/6 of an ounce just to try it, so it wouldn't be so expensive. Okay, this is coffee oil roasted, and it's supposed to be like, it doesn't say it is an essential oil like everything else. It says it is an essential oil. It's supposed to be, I think, a natural oil, but I'm not sure how they get it. It smells just like coffee. I plan to use this on some lotions. It looks like I have one more, lemon myrtle. This smells good. This reminds me of this fragrance oil, which is the lemongrass verbena, but this is an essential oil, and it sort of reminds me to that. So I bet I could use this in lotions. And that's it. So, thank you for joining me. Bye.